All right, guys, this is it. We at the DFS Hairshow.
What up, guys?
My boy Peter, Simon.
We're ready.
Simon, say hello.
Yo, hello.
What are we doing today?
We're doing the DFS OP45 Hairshow 2023, second year of the bounce.
This is the MC right here. He's gonna bring the energy. Me and Peter and CJ. Me and Peter and CJ going up same time. CJ's getting prepped. He's gonna do. You gonna do a little vlog as well?
I'm trying to, man.
You got the little handheld.
I'm trying to, you know. Trying to be on Seancutshair level.
Yeah, can't do that. Can't do that. So yeah, we're getting set up. We just got finished getting set up really. So they're about to start letting people in. I'm gonna try to document some of this stuff for you guys. Obviously, I want to pay attention, be a part of this, you know, talk to people and all that. But I'm gonna try to set up, get some clips of each of us. There's like 8 different presenters, 150 people, I think. I'll show you guys the room real quick, and then we're gonna get the show started. And just wanted to show you guys. This is my first time in the UK. Crazy trip. Just wanted to document it really for myself so I can come back and watch this later on and, you know, remember the first time I came over here and this trip. So let me show you guys the room and then we're gonna get to the show. All right, guys, so this is it. 150 seats, VIP in the front, some of the models. VIP in the front, there's the stage. Nice. We got camera on the big screen. We're gonna be able to see it right here. We're gonna pull another chair up in a minute because we got like Basio going, Josh going individually, and then us as a whole. So man, them lights are crazy. But yeah, you guys see the room? It's gonna be crazy. Go ahead, it's a YouTube vlog. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Marie.
We're all here. I'm CJ the barber.
You've already been on there. You guys have already been on there.
Shut up, man. Come on.
Just for Marie.
Twice.
Marie.
It's CJ.
Oh look, so flip it.
Wow. So we're just at the OP hair show with the boys. With the
All right, you
boys.
can get 'em. All right, you
Get
can get 'em.
in, you can get in. Now, keep them happy. Look at that.
We're ready.
We're ready.
Before we get started, I want to tell you guys about my trip real quick, guys. Obviously, it's like 7 hours and 45 minutes from Tampa to the UK. Long flight. First flight like that. We left Tampa at like 7 p.m. Landed at 3 a.m. Tampa time, which is 9 a.m. London time. All the way in London. Went to the city for a little bit. Then we had to get a 3-hour Uber to Birmingham. We just stayed up all day. Obviously, since, you know, like I don't even know what time it is, what day it is. It's Saturday now, it's Sunday now. But anyways, 3-hour Uber back and just stayed up the whole rest of the day. So I was up for like 40 hours straight, something like that, in order to go to bed last night here when it got dark. Woke up this morning to a dead phone. There were no outlets in our room. I don't know if you guys know this, but the UK has different plugs. So you have to have adapters. So we bought adapters and all this stuff. And then we get here and
there's not even any outlets in the whole room.
so there was USBs and all we had was USB-C chargers. So I kind of had it rigged up to plug my computer in and then plug my computer into my phone, and it still died. It didn't work. So woke up to no phone 30 minutes before we were supposed to be here. But we made it. We got set up. You guys see it is ready to go. And like I said, y'all have seen, sometimes that's what happens with travel. But anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna get the camera set up, show you guys some clips of the hair show. I'm not gonna record, there's gonna be a lot of talking, a lot of presenters, but I'm gonna definitely get some of the stuff. And I'm gonna have somebody get some footage of us up there so you guys can see that. And hopefully it's enough for a video.
All right, guys. P-Cuts here. I'm about to get on stage with Seancutshair, a.k.a. Freaky Sean.
What?
If you guys don't know that his actual name is Freaky Sean, you're not a real one. But now you know, so leave a comment saying, yo, what up, Freaky Sean? I like the name. Let's have him change his name. Freaky Sean. There it is.
Back at it again.
Hey, Sean. Freaky Sean.
Hey, what? Is everybody taking my camera and vlogging their own?
You
Hold on.
literally said, take my camera and vlog your own video.
Okay.
It's my turn now. So you guys who were trying to kill some time with the video, we're at the OP Awards. So,
coming in.
Yo, they're coming in. Everybody's
flooding.
pulling up. The calm before the storm. This is lit. It's gonna be beautiful. Let me get you back on camera, Sean. Here you go. Take over. Take over.
All right, yeah, anyway, I already told you guys, now they're coming, so it's about to start. All right, we just got set up. There's Peter's stuff. You see I brought the whole new FX1 lineup. If you guys haven't seen yet, I got an unboxing coming on all of this stuff. Your boy CJ's prepping. Little pre-cut before he does the color. Flaming hot.
Flaming hot fire.
So yeah, it's actually a lunch break right now, and then we're gonna go up, me, CJ, and Peter all at the same time. You see Bazio. Bazio just finished, and a lot of questions from his presentation. So we're at lunch break. As soon as we go up, I'm gonna try to get somebody to get some footage for me. I don't know what I'll get. I hate this, guys. I always try to do vlogs, and then whenever I'm cutting, I can't ever get any footage. So I'm gonna try to get somebody to get some footage. Maybe I'll just set the camera up in the front row on me and then cut it up so you guys can see it. But anyway, when we get back to it, you guys will see it first. All right, y'all, check it out. We just got done. We got to restyle. We got to restyle him. He's been changing clothes. He's been changing clothes, but we're doing a little photo shoot. I'm going to show you guys some of it. I don't want to talk. Oh, Marie want to say hi again. So I will show you guys some of these, but I didn't want to, like, interrupt them while they go.
Look at that. That's better. Yeah.
I thought you were going to keep singing, dog. I thought you was going to keep singing. Dang. I just flew all the way home. I was looking through all the footage and I realized I didn't end the video. So I just got home. Guys, we finished the show. We did a meet and greet after. We went to dinner with everybody, the whole team. It was like 20 of us. When we went back to the hotel, we decided to stay up all night because it's such a weird thing with the time change. So basically we left at 6 a.m. from Birmingham, which was 11 p.m. in the States. We had a 3-hour Uber over to London to the airport, about 3.5 hours. Sat at the airport for a couple hours. 10-hour flight home. I ended up sleeping most of the flight home. Then I got to Tampa, had to wait 3 hours for my flight to Nashville, and I just got to Nashville, and I have a 2-hour drive home. So we're gonna go like 26 hours. I'm struggling, guys. This thing kicked my butt. So I can't wait to go back. It was an amazing show. I'm glad it's a year from now because I don't necessarily want to do this travel again anytime soon, but cannot wait to get back. You guys will be seeing a lot more DFS stuff on the channel. I'll be teaching some DFS courses. And I just found out I'm actually going to be heading to Tampa to do the 5-day course with Josh for a couple days and with CJ. So if you're going to the Tampa course, I'll see you guys there. If you guys want to see my first DFS course I ever took, click right here and check that video out and comment down below and let me know if you need me to keep vlogging this type of stuff, and I'll do it.